Alright, you two are busting 4 more boxes of 08 Premier. Second break of the night. Live on Blog TV. Broadcasting straight, sending it right over. There you go, box 1. Good luck, everybody. Thank you again for joining. Alright, for the Braves, got a Mark Tejera base, 99 out of 99. Let me turn them around here. 99 out of 99. And for the Washington Nationals, we got Jonathan Albaladejo, whatever, autograph of that guy. Sick. 8 out of 10. 5-piece of Dice K for the Red Sox. That's nice. And also for the Red Sox, what, this thing got blood on it? Dual patch of David Ortiz. White and black, or white and blue, but it's got some red stains or something on it. See it right in there. Some red stuff. Some Kool-Aid, they say. And for the Texas Rangers, a Sammy Sosa manufactured patch, 19 out of 50. And for the Yankees, oh, sick. Number 40 out of 50, Ching-Ming Wong auto. That's nice. It's Brother Craig. Brother Craig continues. Whoa. Triple auto. Matt Cain, Chad Billingsley, and John Maine. Giants, Dodgers, and Mets. 19 out of 25. Pretty sick right there. Alright, let's go. Box 2. We got an Andre Ethier base, number 56 out of 99 for the Dodgers. And for the Giants, we got a Eugenio Velez signature out of 99. And we got a dual Twins and Padres, Tony Gwynn and Rod Carew. Couple of the best hitters ever. 20 out of 25. Dual jersey. Looks like I'm frozen on blog. There we go. Next for the Tigers, dual patch, 71 out of 75 of Jeremy Bonderman. Manufactured patch for the Twins, Johan Santana, number 1 out of 10. This one's got a little bit of a ding, top right corner. Then for the Marlins, we got Dontrelle Willis, quad jersey. Dontrelle Willis having a rough time right now in his life. Almost feel bad. Then we got a duel for the Yankees. Ian Kennedy and Phil Hughes, number 28 out of 35, dual auto. Nobody in here is typing anything. Everybody alright? You guys alright in here in the blog? Box 3. Don't see anything being typed. It's froze. Oh, the chat is froze. Can you guys at least see me busting the boxes still? NHL? Okay. Alright. Box 3. Alright, for the Twins, we got a Joe Mauer, number 8 out of 15. I knew that was coming. And we got a Ross Detweiler for the Nationals, number 122 out of 299. We got 2 autos in this. Are there multiple? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 extra card. We got 2 rookie autos. Billy Buck